Hey, welcome back, my friends. It's been a minute since we've been on Nerd Chic, and I want to do a new box opening. This one's for the brand newest MacBook Pro, and this is the one that works with AI technology, has multiple CPUs and GPUs. I want to say it's 18 and 40. It's got maxed out everything. So this guy right here is as maxed out of a MacBook Pro as you're going to get. I'm going to do just a box opening for it. This has the most Unity memory you can get in a MacBook. It has the most GPUs, CPUs, and everything. It is customized to the max. The drive is insane. So I just want to show you a box opening of this awesome device before I start to show you how we build it out to do some amazing AI stuff like we've been doing for the last couple of years. Because we're going to start showing our secrets on here and sharing with you guys. Let's just open this guy up. And of course, you guys are very used to the Apple experience when you open a box. It is really, really nicely put together and done. I think a lot of other makers have started to do the same. And so anyways, what I love is the extra padding they put in everything. So even if you're getting a mashed up outside box, these things are so thick and durable, it's incredible. Okay, and so anyways, you got your tab to lift with, and there's the bad boy right there. This is a 14-inch. We like to be able to carry it in our bag. You could get it in 17-inch as well. Of course, here is the design and Apple packet. I'll come back to that. Here is the new power adapter. For anybody using these, I just want to say, when you get a MacBook Pro, or any Mac device, make sure you always use the correct adapter with the device. A lot of MacBook Pros over the years, if you use the wrong device, it burns the battery up. So anyways, let's look at that. I mean, honestly, I'm just ripping it open. Beautiful. And of course, the setting information is right here on the base. If you ever need to reorder, you can order it. You can order replacements online, but like this is a 96-watt USB-C power adapter. Make sure that for this device, you're using the 96 watts. It matters. Of course, you've got that in here. Here's the cable itself. Wow, love it. I love the corded. This is incredible stuff. I love the quality of the now woven cord cables. Very, very nice. Not rubber, plastic, or whatever. More durable and very easy to wind up, stay in place, and drop in your bag. Okay, so there's that. And of course, you know, notice you've got this side here in a USB-C connector. I want to challenge you, use the 96 watt. Don't just plug that into anything willy-nilly. Okay, let's look in here. All of the goodies inside of this container. And of course, as you would expect it, there's the little manual and all the base information on that. The cleaning of the Nano display. Oh yeah, the display is a new kind of display. We've got that increased quality, and this is a very nice cloth. Wow, wish all of them had been that way over the years. So there's that. I feel there's more in here, but I'm afraid I'm going to rip it. Is there more in here? No, it's not. It's actually just a card. So that's thickness, but that's all that's in here. That's just some kind of carded extra padding there. Let's get down to it. Let's get this off the device and open her up. Wow, it is gorgeous. We got the dark, I guess, space gray this time instead of the lighter silver. I think they may even call this black or whatever. Beautiful, 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 beautiful device. And that's it. Of course, you know how it works. Open her up and get going. It's gonna be fun times. And it's already ready to roll. There we go. So I thank you guys for tuning in as always. I'm gonna put a screen protector on this. Oh, that's a beauty. I wanna encourage you, be sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, give us some love in there, share with your friends. And then of course, as always, share your comments, your thoughts, and more as we bring more for you next time. Thanks for tuning in as we unveiled the newest MacBook Pro. Top in, customed out, more than what a server used to be back in the day. When I started this channel, servers were less than this bad boy right here. Had less technology. That's incredible. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in to Nerd Cheek. Boom.